Hello everyone and welcome back to another math video. Today we're going to be talking about how do you multiply fractions, so similar to these problems that you see up on the screen here. Just a reminder, this is the speedrun version where we go pretty quickly. If you'd like the normal version of the lesson, I will link that in the description below. All right, your Ricasso Recap starts now. In 30 seconds or less, here's what you need to know before you start this lesson. You should already know how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. So write 3.5, you should be able to convert that into 7/2. If you do not know how to do this, I will link a refresher video in the description below. Please go watch that before you start this lesson. All right, new lesson starts now. Here we go. So to multiply fractions, easiest way to say it is you just go straight across. So you multiply the top numbers. 7 times 1 is 7. Then you multiply the bottom numbers. 10 times 4 is 40. And this is your final answer. Top to top, bottom to bottom. Now for this problem, you'll notice that this is just a fraction. This is a regular number, a whole number. And so the way that you have to think of this is just think of 3 as 3/1, because you can write any number, any regular number over 1. So this is 3/1 times 5/8. And now we just repeat that process we learned. Top numbers, 3 times 5 is 15. Bottom numbers, 1 times 8 is 8. And this is our final answer. Okay, last type of problem. These are mixed numbers, and I said at the beginning you should already know how to convert these to improper fractions. So we should know that the first one converts into 12/5, and the second one converts into 11/3, and now we just multiply straight across. So 12 times 11 is 132, 5 times 3 is 15, and now you can leave the answer like this. If you learned how to reduce fractions, this can actually be reduced because these are both divisible by 3. So if you divide the top one by 3, you get 44. If you divide the bottom one by 3, you get 5. But either answer will work. Okay, you can leave it unsimplified or you can simplify. All right, here's our cool clock for today, which means that it is time for you to practice what you just learned. Go ahead and pause the video and try these 2 problems on your own. And when you're ready, you can unpause the video and we'll check your answers. Okay, now that you've had time to work these problems, let's check your solutions. For the first problem, you should have gotten 12/21. If you want to reduce it, or your teacher wants you to reduce it, then this would be 4/7. And for the second problem, here is the work. You might have had to use a calculator, do it by hand. I guess you could do it in your head. 9 times 29 is 261/4, and this is your final answer. All right, that is it for today. I hope you all have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.